So you can actually check by yourself, like, have you ever felt stomach discomfort during stress conditions? So some people, whenever they are into stress, their stomach will pain a lot and they use the washroom. And there can be a loss of appetite during anxiety or sudden bathroom issues before an import call. So you can check. So most of you might have felt all these things, right? So the communication between the gut and the brain is real. And poor sleep, also the anxiety and chronic stress disturb the digestion process, increases the inflammation, and alter the gut microbiota. So, like along with the food, it is also important to sleep properly, to move your body, to exercise regularly, or even a simple brisk walking on a daily basis can have a great impact. So, walk daily and stay hydrated. So, it is also very much important. Okay, these simple habits often matter more than the expensive supplements. Okay, and remember, if you have severe symptoms like chronic abdominal pain or blood in the stools or even the unexplained weight loss or persistent diarrhea, okay, or any other kind of serious digestive issues, so you can actually go to a qualified healthcare professional instead of self-training. So if you want to improve your gut naturally, so focus on the basics. The first thing is eat more fiber, stay hydrated, include more of the fermented foods, manage stress, which is also equally important to diet. Even the sleeping habits can also have an impact. So sleep at least like 6 to 8 hours. That is also quality sleep in a day. And also the thing is always stay active. So even a brisk walking, simple walk has also a great impact. So, and all these habits should be consistent. So consistency is the key for the good health. So by now you must have understood gut health doesn't improve overnight. Okay, it is all about our efforts. Simple habits can have a great impact. So the most important thing we should keep in our mind is that our daily habits can slowly reshape the microbiome over the time. Okay, and if you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel and share it with someone struggling with the digestion or any other gut health issues. Okay, and thank you for watching. And in the next video, we will explore the fascinating science behind how gut health impacts your brain, your heart, your skin, your immunity, and overall health. Okay, so stay tuned and bye bye.